Guys, I've been called out to a Biasi boiler. The heating, hot water is working fine, but the heating isn't. And I think, look at the way this is there, that's why it's not. Yeah. Luckily, I've got a board with me, and hopefully, it will do the job. Okay. Oh, that's solid, isn't it? So this goes here. This goes here. And this goes here. This then goes here. Oops. This goes here. Right, let's start now. Let's see, hopefully. See, remember that house? That was the showing. Now guys, the board I put in was a spare board I had in my car, which is from a previous job. I didn't use it. So what happened, right, I had the board and put that board in, and the boiler wasn't still working. So what was happening is, before at least I had hot water, now it's not, there's no hot water either. So I decided to go and get a new board, forget that one. Went out, bought a new board, and guess what? That was faulty as well. Now, then I went back to them by his local supplier, and I said to him, listen, guys, I think this board's faulty, the display board. They changed it for me, and I came back, and I fitted that one in, and that started working fine. So the boiler at the end is working fine, but two boards, man. The first one could have been dodgy because it was in my car for the previous job. And then the new one board, that was faulty. The third one was working. I didn't share the second one in this video. I think I was feeling crap at that time anyway. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to switch it off. I think this board is faulty. This is bad. Bad luck, bro. This board is faulty, I think. It's a brand new board. Second board I put it on is faulty.
What is the problem?
The problem is that board. But this board is faulty as well. For some other reasons. Where does this come from?
But why with the old one he worked, and with the new one he doesn't work?
Because the new one's faulty as well. It's got different fault on it. This is the second boiler I fitted in on. This one. And before I thought maybe the boiler is faulty, but no, this board is faulty. This will be a miserable times, man. So guys, this was burnt out, and then we've got a new one. We're gonna put this on, and we're gonna hopefully everything's gonna be working fine after that. This Biasi is starting to just become nightmares, guys. Right, guys, it's all working fine now. The central heating wasn't working. The hot water was, now central heating is working. Recording, you dumb zombie. Excuse me. Guys, I was called out to sort the display board on it. I was called out to do a display board on it. It was a bit of a nightmare, this job as well, man. Every time you take a job on it, the board is all opened up, right? I need to start refusing jobs like that. But anyway, this was totally opened up. Don't know what the hell's going on with it, right? So a lot of things are all over the place, missing here, missing there, right? And anyway, this was faulty. This was coming out broken. The display board is on it. I had to change that. Look the way it's burnt out. But anyway, it's all cold. Got the right part for that. So many things wrong with this, but anyway, they also needed this display cover for that. Alright, we gotta order that. That's up to them anyway. Anyway, I got it going from central heating is working. Hopefully, that's it. Hi guys, I just done that Biasi. I was called out for the central heating was an issue. The hot water was working, but the central heating wasn't working. So I had to look at it. The display board was broken. It was all damaged. So it was burnt out. So I got that, changed that. But the customer goes, the ignition electrode is also faulty. The wire was popping out of it. So I had to change that as well. And plus, the screw on that was missing. I had to go and find a screw on it. So what it was an easy job. But the problem is, next time I've learned my lesson. Next time you go to a house and the boiler's all opened up and the customers try to have a go on it, you gotta think twice, man, to take that job on. I'm kind of guy who just goes into it, starts working on it. But I need to start looking into it deeper and saying, wait there, this guy's been opening it up. Is there gonna be enough screws around? Why is he open? Why is he not open? Why did he, put it back together? Or things like that. That all falls back on us as a gas engineer, as a last gas engineer. So if there's a screws missing on the ignition electrodes, I have to now provide them. Sometimes you have these things, sometimes you don't. And if you ain't got them, then you gotta find them, because if things go wrong, you're the last engineer there. So luckily, I found some screws in my car, some old ones, and I put them on, and that's it, job done. But for next time, you learn your lessons. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, great. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, all the best.